Okay, let's go for the derivative. And then we'll evaluate the second derivative at the number 3. So let's put down h prime. You know what I'm going to do first? I'm going to do a little differently than it was done in the notes, by the way. I'm going to do it as a product rule. Let me write that down for you. So ht is going to be equal to t to the minus 1 times e to the t. Again, it's meant to make it easier. I don't know. You have an opinion. Everyone has an opinion about what makes things easier. But let's take a look. So let's put the h prime. And what do you get there? Let's see. The derivative of the first function is minus t to the minus 2 times et plus t to the minus 1 et. Well, that's not so bad. All right, I'm going to factor it though, and part of factoring it, just to make it a little bit easier for me, and yeah, let's write it down. So I'm going to put down et. I'm not going to figure out the t, by the way, but t to the minus 1 minus t to the minus 2. I'm going to do the second derivative now. So I'm going to say the derivative of the first function times the second plus the first function times the derivative of the second. And let's put that down. So I'm going to put down 2t minus 3 minus t to the minus 2. All right, I'm going to call it quits there in a derivative. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to evaluate the derivative, the second derivative, at the number 3. Let's see what happens. You get e cubed 1/3 minus 1/9 plus e cubed. Let's see, that's going to be 2, and then it's going to be 3 to the minus 3, which is 27. Boy, these are tough numbers. Minus 1/9. Well, I got to do the arithmetic over here. I'm going to factor out e cubed. And what do you get? Let's write this down. 1/3 minus 1/9 plus 2 27s and minus 1/9. Oh boy, it's a lot of work, isn't it? E cubed. Common denominator is 27, right? Let's see, 9 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3. I gotta do that work, don't I? So it's going to be 27 on the bottom. I definitely see an e cubed, and it has a coefficient. And what are you going to get there? 9, let's see, minus 3 is 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. All right? Put a little box on that. I think I'm done with that. Let's look at the k. I know they did it differently. They used a quotient rule. I did not use a quotient rule. I used a product rule. But we're just going to seem to lead to the same answer in the end. Thank you.